Hi everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys the best ways I've discovered to recover after dance. This video is going to be broken up into two categories. The first one is going to be about muscle recovery and the second one is going to be about energy recovery. If you like videos like this, make sure to subscribe and like this video. Without further ado, let's get into it. Jumping right into muscle recovery, the number one thing I can recommend for your muscles is probably rolling out or any kind of massage. Rolling out is a great way to relieve tension in your muscles, stress in your muscles, any kind of soreness or tightness. It provides easier mobility for the next day, especially if you have more dance the following day. And it just overall feels incredible. There's a number of ways you can roll out. It can be with a foam roller, a tennis ball or massage ball for your feet, massage guns, you can have someone actually massage your back or something. There's handheld rollers out there, and just so many different options to help relieve muscle pain. Even if you're not sore or in pain from dance, rolling out is still super great to do to help with mobility and injury prevention. Another great way to help muscle recovery is ice plunges. Ice plunging is something that a lot of dancers do. It is super anti-inflammatory, so especially if you've been on point for a while, it'll help to de-swell your feet, which is really nice. It's also a really great way to promote blood flow. You don't have to do a big cold plunge into your bathtub or anything. You can just take a tub, fill it with cold water, some ice, and dip your feet in there, and just doing that will already make a difference. The third and final way that I recommend to recover your muscles is by taking a hot bath. Soaking your muscles is one of the ultimate ways to remove stress that, again, a lot of ballet dancers do. It's soothing, relaxing, and it'll provide better sleep quality. Soaking your muscles is really easy to do. You can do it in the bathtub, or again, like the cold plunge, you can just fill a tub with hot water and dip your feet in if you're just focusing on your feet. It definitely feels good after a really long day of dance. Moving on to the energy recovery portion of this video, my first tip is to drink magnesium or tea before bed. Magnesium is great because it does also soothe your muscles and it's really relaxing. It is actually known to create better sleep quality as well, which is super important, again, if you have dance the following day. Tea is another great alternative if you don't happen to have magnesium at home. It does pretty much the same thing. It's soothing, relaxing, especially good chamomile tea, anything that will really help your sleep quality and your muscle recovery. My second tip would be to take a nice hot shower. It sounds super duper simple, but it makes all the difference. Whether you like steaming hot showers or, lukewarm showers, it really does make a big difference for your energy and your mood. And let's be honest, who doesn't love a nice shower? My third tip would be to eat well after dance. I cannot stress this enough. We burn so many calories dancing, and it is super important to replenish those lost calories after you've done your dance. Some great things to eat after dance would be lots of protein. So if you have dance in the evening, have your dinner afterwards, or if you have dance in the morning, a nice protein heavy lunch. Eating well boosts your energy and actually your mood. Personally, I get a little grouchy when I haven't had enough to eat. My fourth and final tip for energy recovery is to hydrate well. Yes, it is important to hydrate while you are working out or dancing or whatever the physical activity is that you're doing, but also hydrating afterwards because you're still going to be a little bit dehydrated after that physical activity. Don't drink too much at one time though, because too much water is a thing. And that is everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content. I do vlogs, tutorials, workouts, warm-ups, tips like these for fellow dancers, and so much more. Comment below if you have any other recovery tips that I didn't touch on in this video. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. But until then, God bless. Bye!